Hello and welcome to CEN4801 Systems Integration. Systems thinking and systems practice is not a new concept, and integrating the different systems is not a new process. Looking at the surrounding environment, you can see lots of systems that we have around us, like the transportation system, the educational system, the healthcare system, the electrical grid system, the water system, sewage system, and many other systems. With those systems, within those systems, there are subsystems or subsystems or components, and those components work together to produce or to achieve a certain goal. So system integration is a course that studies the process of integrating different software, systems, applications, and hardware into an organization. To understand systems integration, we need to define systems and understand what systems engineering is. The topic of this course cover issues with systems integration, including developing requirements, security, interoperability, business process documentation, testing, and maintenance. This lecture will provide a brief summary of course requirements and course expectations. My name is Professor Yusuf and I will be your instructor for this course. Please feel free to contact me via email, phone, or through virtual office hours using the Microsoft Teams. Please take the time to view, read, and understand all of the provided material. 99% of your questions are addressed in the syllabus or in the course content. My office hours are posted under the announcements tab through the online learning system and in the syllabus. For easy access to the course material, all course activities has been listed under course content. There will be no textbook for this course since many of the resources has been used to create and develop the course material. Some of the references that can be used are listed here. You can use the Benjamin Blanchard book. You can use the INCOSE system handbook. You can use system engineering principles and practices. You can use systems engineering and management. So all these are resources that can be used, or references that can be used. But again, you don't have to buy or get any one of them. If you can borrow some from the library, then that will be great. You can use them as your references, or they will assist you in understanding some of the course material. This course is online, so all course material will be available for you through the online learning system. Your homepage will display the different courses where you can click on your course of interest to access the course information. I suggest that you navigate through the different tabs to get yourself familiar with the course organization. In addition, I would suggest that you log in at least once every day to stay current with course requirements and changes. For easy access, all course material, including assignments, discussions, quizzes, presentations, lectures, and supplemental material, have been posted under the course content tab through different modules. So you don't have to click on the assignment tab to get to the assignment, or discussion tab to get into the discussion or the quizzes. Just click on content and you will see the course activities listed under each module. Modules will be released on a weekly basis as the semester progresses. So for week 1 you will see module 1. Module 1 will have all the activities that will be required that week. You need to access your online courses daily and check for the latest updates and due dates. Sometimes changes will happen. I will post an announcement telling you that we did some change maybe in the due date or anything. We don't know what will happen, but any changes that will happen will be posted online. So just keep logging in to make sure that you are being updated on the changes. The syllabus quiz should be completed during the first week. It will be used to verify your attendance and understanding to course requirements. Failing to complete the quiz could lead to purging from the course, and you will not be able to view other course materials. All students are required to complete a weekly discussion, which should be due by Sunday of each week. So make every attempt to post your initial response by the middle of the module week and respond to at least one of your peers by the end of that week. So for the first week, we're not going to require any discussion. There is no discussion for the first week because we have the syllabus quiz and we are talking about course information. So the discussion posting will start from week 2. The weekly discussion is to answer the questions posted and reply to at least one of your peers' posts before the end of the submission period. You will get some points deducted or subtracted if you did not reply to your peers. Basically, it's like half of the grade for posting and half of the grade for replying to your peers. So make sure to reply to your peers. The questions should be answered after reviewing the course material. Look at the lecture, look at the course material for that week, then answer the questions. I'm not asking for like a detailed 1 page, 2 pages answer. It just, reply with 1 paragraph, 2 paragraphs that explains what you understood from that week and how you can utilize it or use it, and if you have any questions. That's it. And if you don't have any question, it's okay to say none for this week. That will be fine. If you have any questions about the assignments, you don't post it under the discussion. You can send it to me directly in an email. So as stated before, it's required to complete this weekly discussion. If you missed it, you missed the submission period, your grade for that week will be 0 for that discussion. So make sure to complete the discussion, and the discussion will assist me in getting your feedback about the course material for that week. Use the provided channels to communicate with me. You can email, you can call, or you can use Microsoft Teams during office hours for a virtual meeting. You can actually use Microsoft Teams video or voice calling, or you can use it for chatting. If you leave a message in the chat, if I'm available online, I can reply directly. If I'm not, then I will reply either the same day or within 48 hours. The more communication you have with the instructor, the better understanding of the course material. Don't hesitate to email. Don't hesitate to call or meet with me on Microsoft Teams. It's okay to ask questions, and I will be glad to answer. Email messages should have the subject as the name of the course and the problem you have. So for example, you can write in the subject course 4801, so I will know that it's coming from the systems integration course, and the problem is like in assignment 1 question 2. So I know that you are asking question about that assignment. When you write the email, use professional language and professional words to write the email and explain the problem. Each assignment has guidelines and requirements, so make sure to read assignment requirements and submit before the due date and the time. Don't submit through email. Make sure to submit through the online learning system. Late assignments will not be accepted unless you have a valid excuse. At that point, documentation will be required. I will ask you to submit something that will prove that you have a valid excuse. Use the following assignment naming format, which is A1, like for assignment 1, underscore 4801, and that's for the course number, and then underscore your last name. Points will be deducted from your grade if you did not use this format. So please follow the instructions. It's very important to submit reports according to requirements and with accuracy. That will assist you in following certain requirements when you start working in the workforce. They will have in your company, in your business, they will have certain requirements you have to follow, and you have to report with accuracy. And those small things will assist you in following these guidelines. All assignments should be submitted in Microsoft Word or in PDF format unless instructed otherwise. The project will be divided into 3 project assignments. So we have a project for the course, and it will be divided into 3 assignments. Those assignments will be submitted over the progress of the course. All project assignments must be completed and written individually. Don't share any information with your peers. You will complete your assignments individually. The project report should be submitted in a professional format with the proper grammar and correct spelling. If you need any help, then the College Writing Center can assist you in the writing process. When you submit the assignment, again, we will follow a naming format as we did with the regular assignments. The project assignment will have a naming format, which is PA1, and that's for project assignment number 1. That's the project assignment. Underscore 4801, and that's the course number. And then underscore your last name. The project guidelines and instructions will be posted under the assignment tab at the or in the online learning system. There will be 2 exams through the whole semester, midterm and final. Both exams will have 50 questions, true, false, and multiple choice questions with 2 points each. The final will include all chapters within the course material. It's very important to work and submit all course activities. Having high grade in the exams does not mean that you will pass the course. All activities are designed to complement each other. So you need to work on assignments, you need to work on project assignments, you need to work on exams, you need to work on the discussion, and all together will assist in the learning process, and it will assist your grade. If you have any questions about the grade, please email it to me directly, and I will be more than glad to answer your question. The main goal of the course is to understand systems and systems engineering, the integration of these systems, how would they operate with each other, how could they be compatible. So different systems can be integrated, and to integrate we need to make sure that they are compatible and they are interoperable. The integrating process of different systems will include many challenges and issues. Accordingly, integration requirements should be identified and analyzed to provide an effective or efficient integration. During the integration, since we have different systems, security will be one of the main concerns or main issues during that integration, and we have to address that or look at security as part of the system. The objectives of the course is to analyze systems components, attributes and functions, and their relationship with the operating environment. And we'll explain what do we mean by the operating environment. The course will assist in gaining and improving skills required to design system architecture according to client requirements. It will also assist in identifying organizational and managerial issues related to systems integration. Some of the methods and techniques used in the integration process will be explained to know how to do such an integration with minimum problems or minimum issues. Integration requirements should be collected and analyzed to ensure a seamless integration. In addition, the course will assist in utilizing the gained knowledge to effectively communicate systems integration strategy and methodologies. Of course, we're going to communicate those methodologies to the client and to the upper management, what will be the process of integration and how we can make it effective and seamlessly not have issues or work with each other without any problem. To understand the integration, we need to understand the concepts of systems and systems engineering. Part of the understanding is to collect the information of the current system, identify its attributes and characteristics, then define user requirements. The collected information will be analyzed and translated into a design for a new adaptable, flexible, and integrated system. Challenges of systems integration will be addressed. In addition, methodologies used in the integration process will be discussed. Based on the requirements of each system, integration requirements will be also defined and analyzed. We need to look at the different systems that will be integrated and look at what will be the requirements to integrate those two systems together. As an example of a complex system, we will discuss enterprise resource planning, which is one of the very well-known systems in companies or businesses, and we will look at the different business models, business process models that are used to overcome any problems within the integration. Since your assignment will be submitted using Microsoft Word, then it's good to have Microsoft Office Suite. If you don't have Microsoft Office, you can use Google Documents, and when you save it, just save it as a Word document that can be read by Microsoft. You can also use OpenOffice, and again, when you save it as a Microsoft Word document. To communicate with the instructor, you need Microsoft Teams, and that will be included within your Outlook and within the Daytona Base or the Daytona Beach systems or the email system. You will find the OneDrive and you will find the Microsoft Teams within that. Microsoft Team can use video, as I said before, can use voice calling, and it can be used for chatting. For the chat, you might need to leave a message, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. You can also submit your assignment using PDF format, and another or other software packages that might be needed can be either downloaded or used online. One of the things that we are going to do is to create or develop a system architect or architecture, and the architecture will use a design system or software that might be available either for free by the college, or you can use it on the cloud online. That will be all for this session. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, call me, or use Microsoft Teams, as we said, through chatting, and I will be more than glad to assist. Thank you and have a great day.